Are you planning to visit Jorhat anytime soon and you're really confused where to stay? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Jorhat with the cheapest booking codes so you can get the best hotel at an amazing price. The hotel list is not in order, so make sure that you watch the video till the end so we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. The cheapest booking codes are available in our description box below, so make sure you check it out. The Manor Boutique Hotel. This hotel is located in a beautiful town of Jorhat, which is 3.5 kilometers away from the railway station and 1.5 kilometers away from the bus stop. Guwahati is the nearest airport from this hotel. This hotel is very well known for its excellent services and hospitality that they offer to their guests. This hotel provides airport transfers at an additional cost. They have an in-house restaurant which serves continental and Chinese cuisine, and it's also one of the best restaurants in Jorhat. This hotel also has a conference room where you can host any type of business meetings or events. They also have an amazing banquet hall which is perfect to host any type of celebrations or functions. The Manor has about 16 well-designed rooms which is extremely spacious, comfortable, and they are at affordable prices. You can also enjoy their 24-hour room service facility, the free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel, luggage storage, and a 24-hour front desk facility. This hotel has different categories of rooms available. The pricing of the rooms here start from 5,200 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget. Puroni Beti Tea and Farm Retreat. This retreat is located in the outskirts of Jorhat. It is a family-run heritage property in the middle of a large open area of the tea farm. This property has been around since 1904 as a tea farm till they recently opened the doors to tourism. It is about 20 minutes drive from the Jorhat airport. They have an in-house restaurant here which serves local dishes that are prepared by their professional chef. Staying at this retreat, you can enjoy some of the activities that they have to offer. You have amazing garden views, cycling, movie nights, fishing, golfing, live music available at this retreat. The restaurant here serves all 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. We recommend you to stay in their tea retreat, which gives you a very amazing experience. This retreat is perfect for all nature lovers and for those who want to be surrounded by lush green gardens. Prices of the rooms here start from 4,000 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget. Kaziranga Golf Resort. This is a 3-star resort which is located just about 40 minutes from the main Jorhat city. It is an excellent choice for travelers looking out for a romantic environment stay. This resort provides some of the premium luxury facilities and amenities for their guests. They have an in-house salon and spa and a wide range of massages where you can just enjoy, unwind and relax. They also have a golf course. You can enjoy outdoor sports, indoor games like billiards, table tennis and foosball. They also have a beautiful lawn which is perfect to host any type of big functions or events. You can also take a dip in their outdoor swimming pool to feel the magic of the crystal clear water. They also have an in-house bar which provides a wide range of cocktails. This is one of the perfect places to unwind and relax. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and cozy, and the pricing of the rooms here start from 4,000 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget and according to the room category. Gulmohar Grand Hotel. This is a 3-star hotel located just 5 minutes away from the main city area. It is located in one of the residential locality with a very peaceful and quiet ambience. It is also situated in one of the prime locations which makes it easily accessible for you to explore the city. The hotel has an in-house conference room which is perfect for hosting any type of meetings or conferences. The in-house restaurant here serves some of the amazing Indian and Chinese cuisines. They also have a 24-hour room service facility. They have a 24-hour coffee shop as well. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and cozy, and you can enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. This hotel has different categories of rooms available. The pricing of the rooms here start from 2,500 rupees onwards, and you can also select them according to your budget and depending upon the category of your rooms. Moyan Cove. This resort is located 20 minutes away from Jorhat. It is perfect for all you nature lovers who enjoy camping. They have a beautiful garden and also a beautiful lake just around the corner of the resort. You can also enjoy a romantic candlelight dinner just by the lake. They often set up a bonfire during the winters. We recommend you to stay in the tent for some amazing jungle experience. You can also enjoy the Asian breakfast served every morning at this resort. Pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable for the services that they offer. The pricing starts from 1,900 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget. Have you dropped us your like button yet? We'd really appreciate a thumbs up from your side. Also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals and for more travel tips. We'd also love to invite you to our exclusive travel club. This travel club is going to give you some amazing deals, promos and also some exciting giveaways. So if you'd like to avail any of these, the details about the travel club is given at the end of the video, so make sure that you check it out. Joining this club is absolutely free. Hotel Silver Sea. This is a 3-star budget-friendly hotel located in Jorhat. This hotel offers you everything that is required to make sure that you have a very comfortable and pleasurable stay. The hotel has an in-house restaurant which serves a wide range of variety of cuisines. Guest satisfaction and cleanliness and hygiene is their topmost priority. The rooms rooms here are exclusively designed with comfortable furnished bedrooms, snuggly bed covers, a living space with trendy decor and amazing furniture. You can also enjoy a 24-hour room service facility from this hotel. All the rooms here are very well maintained and extremely well equipped, and they are also very pocket friendly. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,500 rupees onwards, and you can also select them according to your budget. Gyan Regency. This is one of the 3-star budget-friendly hotels in Jorhat. It is just about 5 kilometers away from the airport. It provides all the amazing facilities and amenities that will make sure that you have a very memorable stay. The hotel has a 24-hour front desk, a 24-hour room service facility. Unfortunately, they do not have an in-house restaurant available to dine in. All the rooms here are very comfortable and cozy, and they are very well maintained. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. This city has a lot to offer, and you just have to step out to explore it. We recommend this hotel for those who are looking out for a budget accommodation, solo travelers, and also those people who are traveling with a group of friends. Pricing of the rooms here start from 1,200 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget. The Vaishnavi Lodge. This is a 2-star budget-friendly hotel located in Jorhat. The hotel is about 5 kilometers away from the airport. The hotel provides some of the amazing facilities at a very reasonable cost. They have a 24-hour front desk and express check-in and check-out service, luggage storage, doctor on call, and also housekeeping. You can enjoy the continental breakfast every morning at this hotel. All the rooms here are well maintained, and they are also very well equipped with a private bathroom, a wardrobe, and a separate seating area. Pricing of the rooms here start from 1,200 rupees onwards, and you can select these rooms according to your budget. Wooden Harmony Homestay. This homestay is close to the airport but slightly further from the city. They have awesome rooms and they provide great service, and the popular attractions of the city are just around the hotel. They also have a beautiful garden where you can just unwind and relax. You can also enjoy on their sun terrace by enjoying the sunset views. The rooms here are extremely cozy and comfortable, and they are very well equipped with all the necessary amenities. Pricing of the rooms here start from 2,600 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget. Given a chance of winning a free stay giveaway, which hotel would you like to stay in Jorhat? Please mention in the comment section below. The information about joining this amazing travel club can be viewed here. And we also have something that may excite you. We wish you a safe and a wonderful stay in Jorhat.